So welcome back to as Institutes. Today topics how to talk anime topics. My dear guys, if you want to talk about anime topics, so please watch this video till end. I can talk about this topic as well as mic is very most important for every person. You have a mic so you can speak very smoothly, very clearly. As well as my dear guys, mic is very necessary. Without mic we can't and speak very fluently. My dear guys, mic is very most important. As well as if you talk about this topic, firstly you want to improve your English language, so you have any gadget, you have anything, so you can talk about that topic. If you want to improve yourself in English language, firstly as I would share my views about this topic. As if we have mic, whether we have a mic or whether I have mic, so I can improve myself, I can improve my communication skill, I can improve my English language, listen very easily of the audience. Basically my audience can be listen very easily my speak, so mic is necessary. If we have mic, so we can increase our voice, we can improve our English language, or we can improve our productivity. As well as mic is very most important tool for video making. As well as if you are making video, if you are as well as if you want to and speak very confidently, so you need to have a mic. If you have mic, so you can speak very clearly, so as well concisely. Talk about the answer mic, but in this time you are talking about this notebook. As you have the notebooks, you have a notebook, so you need to talk about the notebook. As well as notebook is very most important. Without notebook we can't write anything, without notebook we can't solve anything. You have a notebook. As well as I have a notebook, so I can solve any query, I can solve the question. I have notebook, so I can give the solution other people's, other students. As well as I can write my motivational quote on the notebook. I have a notebook, so I can write my thoughts, write my emotions. So it is a very most important notebook. Notebook is very necessary for student. As well as student have a notebook, so student can we change our life via this notebook, because a notebook is necessary. If as well as we have notebook, so I can make any picture on the notebook, I can drawing on the notebook. I can make the drawing any notebook. As well as if you know English language, try to just annual topic. As well as I have a notebook, so I can write any letter, I can write any article, I can write any history on the notebook. So it is very most important for me and for student, for everyone. So notebook is very most important. I hope you will be understand this video. Thanks for watching video guys.